Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. So here you can see it is incorrect password. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, if we press the volume down and power button together and try to power it off, as you can see, enter pin to turn off the phone. Okay, to turn off the phone you need an USB cable. Now connect it to the laptop and PC with the help of this USB cable. Okay, now I am going to connect it to my laptop with the help of USB cable. Just connect it, come up there and connect it to your laptop and PC. So as you can see, it is successfully connected. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together until the screen turn off. Phone restart. Press and hold it. Do not release. And now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. And release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now unplug the cable. So here you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to white data factory reset. Here go to white data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased if your SD card is encrypted. All data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So now go to factory data reset and confirm. And as you can see, data wipe complete. So here you can see data wipe successfully completed. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set, if it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F56 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the icon for the latest updates.